Hello everybody, this is 10.4 of Geometry 1 Math Part 1. 10.4 tangent ratio, and we have a 36-point skill sheet with your classwork. Email me for those. And then we got a 20-point notebook taking guide here for this lesson, finding the tangent of an acute angle. And today's bell work, teachers, we have this situation here. Determine whether the triangles are similar. If they are, write a similarity statement. And then a football team won 10, lost 6. Find the ratio of losses to the number of games. So another ratio here. Give your students 5 minutes for this. Okay, welcome back. Yes, by the SAS similarity statement, angle PQR, or rather triangle PQR is similar to STU. You'd find that by finding your ratios of all your sides, your similar sides, see if they equal each other. And this is 8 to 12, and then 14 to 21. So it looks like it would be 2 to 3 here in this case here. 2 to 3 would be your scale factor, which makes them similar. In this situation here, losses to number of games would be 6 to 16, would be 3 to 8, would be the correct answer here. You can determine the height using trigonometric ratios. Now we're going to get into trigonometry. The trigonometric ratio is the ratio of the lengths of two sides of a triangle. Classwork sheet page 2. So for any acute angle of a right angle, for any acute angle of a right triangle, there is a leg opposite the angle and the leg adjacent to the angle. The ratio of these legs is the tangent of the angle. So we have an angle here, adjacent and then opposite of the triangle. This will be the opposite leg, and this would be the adjacent. This would be the hypotenuse, but this will be an adjacent leg. Tangent ratio for any acute angle A of a right triangle, we have angle A here. Leg opposite angle A would be here. This would be adjacent. Tan A would be leg opposite A, angle A, over leg adjacent to angle A, so it'll be A over B. So it'll be the ratio of the length of A over the length of B. It would be your tangent ratio for this angle here. Students, in your own words, define trigonometric ratio, and then define leg opposite or opposite leg. Define those. And another definition page here. I check these when I teach this in the classroom. I check my notebooks entries on Friday, walk around the classroom, and check off students who've done it and students who haven't done it. So leg adjacent and then tangent. So in your own words, define. Okay, example 1, find a tangent ratio. Find tan S and tan R as fractions in simplified form. Tan S and then tan R. So to find those, tan S will be leg opposite angle S, leg over leg adjacent to S, so it'll be 4 times square root of 3 over 4, which would be square root of 3, would be tan S. And then tan R would be leg opposite of R, would be over here, be 4. Then the leg adjacent would be 4 times square root of 3, so it'll be 4 over 4 times square root of 3 would be 1 over square root of 3. And then as a actual decimal using your calculator, you can find these numerical values for these ratios. And as decimals, you round to 4 decimal places here, so that's why they're stretched out there. Okay, our guided practice. Find the tangent ratio, tan S, tan R. And then students, this is yours down here, tan S, tan R. Although I think we're going to do both these in the classroom. Teachers, give your students 5 minutes to do these two here. Welcome back. Here is number 2, tan S would be 10 over 24, would be 0.4167. Tan R would be 12 over 5. See, tan R would be 24 over 10, which would become 2.4. Here's your decimal number here for 5 over 12. And then for number 1, here is your solution here for tan S. It would be 0.75. It would be, see, tan S would be here, so opposite over adjacent, 6 over 8. And then tan R would be opposite over adjacent here, 8 over 6. So it'll be 1.333. Okay, into example 2, using the calculator for tangent, approximate tan 74 to 4 decimal places. So with your calculators out, here's your entry, 74 tan or tan 74 enter, depending upon your style of calculator. Here's what should come up on your screen, 3.48741444, rounded off 3.4874 for tan 74. Okay, using our calculator again for 3 and 4. Teachers, give your students 3 minutes on this one. They should knock these out real quick. Okay, welcome back. Tan 10 is this number here, and then tan 85 would be this number here. And that, students, is lesson 10.4, part 1. Part 2, part 3 available here, as well as skill sheets, worksheets, quizzes, tests. Thank you.